Right now, when they clean it out, we can smell it in the entirety of the underground parking garage and first floor. It is very, very bad. Well, it's definitely less smelly, and it looked a lot like it's actually broken up a lot of the stuff. We've been doing this Simix product for over a month, and we haven't had to call the grease cleanout people. It has not backed up into the kitchen at all. The smell, I can stand here and it's not overwhelmingly bad. It's still grease. So this is our baking pan. It's normally black or yellowish with grease. I soaked it a couple times in the Simix, and this is what it looks like now. Perfectly clean, nothing on it.